We have a new simulation facility. We have plenty of beds, but this is a new one that we just added, and because of a grant that we were able to get, and this is great. Simulation helps the students prepare to deal with experience, with emotions, with thoughts, with feelings, and behaviors as if in a real situation. These opportunities are sometimes limited in the clinical facilities. We never know what we're going to be dealing with over there, but at here we have different situations, and they develop confidence, they develop their self-esteem, it decreases their anxiety and their fears when caring for patients. Thus, they are able to care for patients with more knowledge, with more empathy, and more confidence in themselves. The benefits the students get is that they are provided with interactive feedback on their critical thinking, their judgments, and application of interventions. We call these debriefing because during the simulation they do role-playing. They bring realism in helping the students develop the skills and actions to care for the patients. We assign duties to each one during the simulation. So one of them is the one checking on them and provide feedback also. That way they also learn. We are here to provide constructive criticism. We don't to put anybody down. But that way they learn. Sometimes they learn more from their mistakes, but that's what we're here for. And the group discussion presents strengths and weaknesses and other actions to improve their performance and be better prepared to succeed.